Okay, yeah, very good afternoon. Yeah, I am also good. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
Yes, I'm doing amazing. Thank you. Okay, so we met before also. So would you like my introduction again?
It's not necessary, I think.
Okay. So do you have any topic to discuss?
Mm, I don't have. If you have, so we can discuss.
We can discuss vocabulary as well. If you
Oh,
have, and I will also. Have you ever heard fastidious?
fastidious.
Hmm.
I think I have not heard.
It means like someone who is very difficult to please. मतलब जिसको मनाना बहुत difficult हो.
Okay.
The recent vocabulary stampede.
Stampede. Mm. I have heard, but exactly I don't know what is they called in Hindi.
Hindi we call it as bhagdad machna.
Okay,
Uh,
Bhagdar Machna.
hmm. Or in English we can say that a sudden rush. So you can say stampede. You must have heard about this news. Uh, there was a function, like religious function. What we call actually
Okay, over there started. Mm, what is the
stampede.
stamp? Yeah.
Yes. And because of that, so many people were died because of this stampede.
Okay, stampede.
I got this word from news itself, so I thought I can share with
Okay.
anyone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know I'm pronouncing it correctly or not. Uh,
Okay.
Expesia.
Yeah. A special.
Yes, expesia. It means in Hindi we call it dam ghutna.
Okay, dam ghutna. Okay, like suffocation.
Hmm. Yeah.
Second.
Like in that stampede, so many people were died because of expesia.
Yeah, expesia.
Have you learned any word today?
Yeah, I can discuss like have you heard mm, unconscious?
Yes. Unconscious in Hindi we call it when our mind is not present. In behosi in Hindi we call it
Right, right, right. Behosh. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay. Hospitality.
hospitality.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I call I'm exactly I can't say. It means Adar Satkar. Adar Satkar.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. When someone guest comes your at home, you will have to hospitality uh, warm, what is the like बहुत अच्छे से आदर सत्कार करना चाहिए.
We should welcome them with hospitality.
Oh yeah, right, right.
Yes, you need to repeat this word, again and again. Then you can remember its pronunciation.
Yeah, sometimes I also make mistake. I don't know, and many times try to speaking
Mhm.
hospitality, right?
It's
Okay,
it
hospitality.
happens generally when we get new words and we are not familiar, or maybe it is not in our habit. So that's why it happens. As I was struggling of this word like asphyxia, so I was also struggling with that word. Do you know the meaning of immolation?
Emulation.
Immolation. Immolation.
No, I
It,
have not heard.
it means sacrifice, or in Hindi we call balidan. Balidan dena.
Okay, sacrifice. Okay, okay, I got it. One vocabulary. Comply.
Comply.
Comply. C O
Comply.
M P L Y.
आज्ञा का पालन करना. Comply.
Right. Yeah, पालन करना. Right. You have already heard.
I no, I didn't heard this word, but it is quite similar with some other word. So that I realized that it can be the meaning of this word.
Mm-hmm. Right, yeah, it's happened sometimes. Yeah, I just I watch vocabulary this type of videos, but that time I remember, and just a second after I forget every vocabulary.
Yes, it generally happens. It happens with me also. But yeah, no problem. We can remember it after using this word only. So, otherwise, we get forget.
uh, scrutiny, scrutiny.
Scrutiny.
Okay, scrutiny,
It means
scrutiny.
it means जांच पड़ताल करना.
Yeah,
Is it?
छानबीन. Right.
जांच
The
करना.
पड़ताल छानबीन. Same thing.
Hmm.
Okay. And harmony, harmony.
I don't know the exact meaning. Can you say
Uh,
it?
yeah, मेल जोल.
Meljol. You can do one thing. When you write down this word, so try to learn its pronunciation as well, and you can write in Hindi as well, so that it would be easy for you to recall.
Hmm. Okay. Orthodox.
Uh, yes, I know that meaning. Rudiwadi. Like, is it?
You are saying रूढ़िवादी. We can say like परंपरागत.
Mm-hmm. Yes, in like we can say that in some of the. Mhm.
Yeah, like like your father. ओके कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट किए हैं तो वही बिजनेस को उनके पिताजी फिर उनके बेटे फिर उनके पिताजी ऐसे करके जो बढ़ता जाता है उसे कहते हैं
Or we can say that person who follows ancient culture, our parents are following the culture of our grandparent, and they are following that their mindset
ट्रेडिशन
is still
लाइक
Mhm.
अ ट्रेडिशन
like a tradition. Yes.
ओके या आपको सेक मेटिकुलस कोलियस डू यू नो
Meticulous.
मेटिकुलस
It means like minor or sukshma. Is it?
नो
No.
ध्यान पूर्वक नो 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 ध्यान पूर्वक या सावधानी
Dhyanpurvak. Okay.
एडवर्सिटी
Adversity. Yes, I know it. Adversity. Oh my God. Why I can't recall.
विपत्ति वी कैन
Hmm.
adversity
Okay.
विपत्ति okay and blunt
Blunt.
hmm.
Blunt.
मुफट
Okay. Hmm.
सब सिंपल या तो हम कैसे कहेंगे इस चीज को पहले की शताब्दी में पहले की कल्चर्स में जैसे हम कोई बातें स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम बोलते नहीं है, पहले की जो होते थे लोग या पहले की शताब्दी में ऐसा होता था तो हाउ टू स्टार्ट
Yes. That was the time. Is it like that?
दैट्स
That's the time.
That's the time. Yeah, we are say, in earlier centuries.
Okay. Hmm. In earlier
In
time.
in earlier centuries. ये जब काम आता है जब हम कोई स्टोरी टेलिंग बोलते हैं, है ना?
Hmm.
या पर्टिकुलर हम स्टोरी क्रिएट करते हैं तो उस टाइम हमें यूज करना होता है ये
Yes. That
इन
time we get confused. Like what we can call this word in English. So that time we get confused. Especially
या
in storytelling. You are right. Yes. It
राइट
happens.
राइट और वर्षों से जैसे हम तो वर्षों से कैसे बोलेंगे वर्षों से थ्रू द ईयर
So the year. Uh, Sometimes we automatically get this word while speaking, but when someone say in Hindi and they ask you like what we call it in English, so we get confused.
yeah, some word meaning, yeah, some vocabulary, some idioms, yeah, some this type of word. So yeah, we start conversation. That time I have known about that, those sentence. But suddenly someone ask that time, yeah,
Yeah.
everything get. ओके जैसे जैसे विकसित हुआ मतलब जैसे जैसे किसी चीज को विकसित होना जैसे समय के साथ तो कुछ चीज बढ़ती जाती है ना
Hmm.
उस चीज को
As
कैसे बोल
By the time.
हाँ, ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं बाय द टाइम। मैंने जो लिखा है एज द टाइम्स इवॉल्व्ड, व्हाट इज द आई एम टेलिंग यू
Mhm.
स्पेल
Evolved.
EVOLVED,
Evolved.
evolved।
Hmm. Evolved.
ओहो, जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया,
Mhm.
एट टाइम पास्ड।
Okay.
You can also ask me, and you ask me, but tough question. Okay.
Have you heard about evicted?
Evicted. Yeah,
You must
addicted.
have heard. Evicted.
Uh, Evicted, I have not heard. Addicted, I have heard, but evicted, I have not heard.
Yes, I have heard this word from the Big Boss. You know, हिंदी में बोलते हैं निकाल देना. When someone
Okay.
Mhm. someone evicted from that
Okay.
show or some event, so we can.
Okay. Okay. Evicted, मतलब निकाल देना.
हम्म. किसी शो से किसी को बाहर कर देना, निकाल देना. So then we call it evicted.
Weekend से घर से ही बाहर निकाल दो.
Yes, yes, you can use. घर से ही बाहर निकाल दो.
Okay.
And you know the meaning of respite?
Respite. Yeah, I have heard. Respite.
I'm saying one sentence so you can recall. After 2 days of rain, we got a respite in heat. मतलब राहत मिलना. मतलब
Okay,
2 दिन की बारिश के बाद अपन को गर्मी से राहत मिली. So we can call.
we can, of course.
Okay.
Okay.